Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be learning how to add bill of material to our drawing. So the bill of material just lets you know how many parts, the type of parts and how many parts you have in there. It just gives information, further information about this valve. So what we can do now is, before we create the bill of material, let's move this view close to each other. So we have something like this. And let's create a section view of this view so we see what is on the inside of the valve. So we create something like that, click OK, and drag this view somewhere over here. So now we have section AA, which is this section, and it's showing what is on the inside of the valve. So we have something like that. So now let's create a bill of material, which will go to annotations, and on this drop down we'll select bill of material, and all this is just the option. You can just click OK and you can place it somewhere around that corner. So now we have our bill of material, which has the check body and it's telling you the quantity, and we can add our description into the table. We can also edit the table. We can add more rows to it and more columns and rows with like material and whatever information we want to display about this valve, we can still add it to the table. So it's telling you pretty much the valve, what is in the valve and the quantities. And another thing we can do now is add our balloon to it. So if I select that body, if I select that, so I'm just going to click that balloon and I'm going to start clicking the ones that are obvious. So I select that and it automatically names it as 1. And I'll select this disc and watch what happens. It names it as 4, which is our disc. So we're just going to go ahead and name and add a balloon to everything. So we have that. We'll do our cover. I'll just do my bolts over here and I'll delete the 2. See, as you can see, it doesn't matter where I select, it's going to add it. This is our gasket and our spring, and the last one we need to do is the seat. So I'm just going to delete that. So that is how you pretty much add a bill of material to your drawing. And once you add it, and you can see now the balloon is corresponding to what is in the table, and that's how you display more information about your drawing. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.